Well, how about those other WH questions from my students? Let's look at those. When do you write? Where do you write? How does your family feel about your blogging? Who reads your blog? As we learned before, these questions are WH questions and need some information in the answer. What do you notice? They look a lot like yes-no questions, but with a WH word in front. Ah, but wait, the question with who is a bit different, right? Why? Well, let's think about how we answer this question. In this case, the answer to the question is the subject of the sentence. Other teachers read my blog. Do or does is not necessary when the answer is the subject of the sentence. You asked some great questions today. Keep those questions coming.